We shift your focus now from looking outward to being inward and taking a deep, life-affirming breath. Feel your feet on the floor, the chair that supports you. Just relax your shoulders and soften your face muscles. If you're comfortable doing so, gently close your eyes or lower your gaze some spot on the floor and just hold a soft focus. We begin by allowing the words of the poem to settle into our heart space. We acknowledge and bless the animal in us, that miraculous human form and mind that gives us our place here on earth. And we acknowledge and bless the divine in us, that equally miraculous, eternal presence we know as spirit, oneness, God. We shine the light of love on ourselves. We see our wonder and our wounds. We respect our fierceness and our fear. We embrace our brilliance and our limitations. We release the idea that there is something we must do or become in order to realize spirit. We affirm the truth. We are already spirit, have always been spirit, and always will be spirit. What appears as duality, the struggling and the shining, the shadow and the light, is spirit knowing itself fully through our grief and our fear, our fierceness and our tenderness. All of it, one spirit. I invite you to place a hand gently over your heart. And from this centered place, you don't need to have it all resolved. You don't need to be a perfect vessel of love and light. You just need to begin. Because love is always the fallback position, the starting place, the ground beneath your feet when you have lost the path. And here's the beautiful thing about love as a decision. It doesn't wait for everything to be perfect first. It doesn't require that you have healed every wound or understand every fear. It only requires this moment, this breath, this willingness. Let's just take those thoughts into the silence for a moment. As we gently come back into this now moment, we hear the affirmation of who we truly are in the song, Blessing in This World. So let's have those words sink in to us and for us.